Hello everyone, so today I'm making a console table. I've literally wanted one of these for ages, so I just thought I would make my own because I think they're quite expensive. Let's get into it. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Let's go. What you'll need is a wood panel of your size, some hairpin legs. So I'm going to stain the wood this dark wood stain colour, dark oak. I'm going to do that now. This is how it's looking after one coat. I literally love it. So I have put the 3 coats on my piece of wood. I didn't do this part. I hope I can't see it when I put on the legs. And I'm so happy with that. That little stain thing that I use is so good. I'm gonna put the legs on now. And here we have the finished table. So happy with it. And you can't see the bit under where I didn't paint. This is what it looks like. And this is it from far away on the panelled wall that I did. So this is it all done now. I've just got this little vase and like pampas leaf mix and this diffuser here, and I'm so happy. I love it.